started talking and explaining. Your apple's on the roof.
Yeah, just saw that.
Okay. So we are coming to you today from Lansing. I almost said Lansing, Michigan. Lansing, Illinois. We're with MILBURN Demolition today. We've been working with them for, shoot, probably 2 years now. Demolition contractor based out of Chicago. Their office is just west of downtown Chicago. They work all over the country now. They have a presence down in Florida, bidding work across the state. So it's super exciting to be on board with them nowadays, seeing what they're doing. They got started doing a lot of interior and specialty demolition. These guys are really good at doing odd jobs like bank vault removals, fire escape removals, water tower removals, all sorts of odd jobs that most people can't do. And then now they've gotten into total demolition. So this morning we're at a total demolition job. They have their beautiful Volvo 480 demolition excavator munching on concrete over there, tearing down this building to go build about 50 unit apartment complex, I think they said. So they have the big excavator with the processor munching through the slab. It looks like there's a basement, so they're gonna get through the slab and then move down to the basement. They have their smaller Volvo separating out some of the steel, rebar, concrete. Everything on a demolition project is recycled, well, most everything at least. So right now all the metal is getting loaded into trucks and being taken to the recycling facility, wherever that is. All the crushed concrete will be loaded up separately, taken to be crushed even further and recycled as road base most likely. So that's what's going on. The Volvo excavator that they have over there, the 480, it's a demolition-spec machine. You can customize the boom and stick to be multiple lengths. I think right now they kind of have the, it's kind of like the medium length right now, but they have a high reach configuration for it that we've seen on there. And you can also make it into what's essentially a normal size excavator. So really cool machine, badass company. With MILBURN, you never know what you're gonna see. So it should be a fun day. Let's go sit in Chicago traffic.